Hi, this is Pooja. Welcome back to my channel. So as promised, I'm back with an Ajio haul, and yes, this is specially for summers. And I ordered a lot of stuff from Ajio, but some got delivered to me and some is still on the way. So जैसे ही वो सब मुझे deliver होगा, I'll make another part of this haul. So yes, I have some very interesting pieces to show you. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So yes, before I start this Ajio haul, let me tell you the top I'm wearing is from Forever 21 because I know I'm gonna get a lot of questions on this top. So yes, I bought this top from Forever 21 and I bought this long bag. So I think it's still there on Forever 21's website. I don't remember its price, but I'll definitely try to find out the link for you people. And yes, if you love my content, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon next to it so that you'll be notified every time I'll upload a new video. So the first thing I have with me is this beautiful jogger. It's in this navy blue color, and here you will get this elastic pattern, and then at the back you'll get these two pockets. So it is something like this. It's a shiny soft fabric. I don't know which fabric is this. This is very soft, and it has a shine on this, very lovely shine. So you can actually style all your crop tops with this. And this is from this brand called Outright, which is there on Ajio, and Outright has amazing collection of western wear. And yes, so यहाँ पे नीचे side में से pocket भी आता है, and then नीचे यहाँ पे elastic आता है. So it's a very nice piece. Actually, you can wear this outside with all your crop tops, and this is going to give you an amazing look. Very lovely joggers. I mean, the fabric is very nice. So I got this at a price of 850 rupees. This was expensive, but I think there's a sale on Ajio right now, so you can go and check out that sale. Upar you will get this hook, and पीछे elastic भी आता है. So I'm in the size 34 for this. I think they have one more color in the same pattern. It's in light blue color. So if you don't like this color, you can go for light blue. The joggers are very nice. Next I have this beautiful yellow color crop top with me. Just look at the sleeves, they are so lovely. I mean, the sleeves are something different, as you can see, and it's a smoked crop top. So it is something like this. Fitting is very nice, but I think it runs a size larger than the actual regular size. So you can go one size down in this case. It is from this brand called Forever New. I'm the size large for this. So I think ये ऐसे smoked tops में ना go one size down because actually उनके stretchability बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. Just look at this, and फिर ये loose होता है. So that's why I'm telling you. And yes, the sleeves are nice. यहाँ पे ऊपर chiffon fabric है, and this is in this again. Yeah, it is chiffon and it has got amazing stretchability. It's in this beautiful square neckline. So आगे भी ऐसे आता है, and पीछे भी it's a lovely square neckline. So very lovely top. And this I bought on sale. So there was a sale going on Ajio last time. I think I don't remember that sale, but this was on discount. So but I don't remember what is the price of this top right now, so you can go and search. But I think sale के time पे it is very less, and you can actually apply those coupons checkout के time पे when you buy a lot of stuff, no? So आपको बहुत अच्छे से coupons apply करने का chance मिल जाता है. So I'll say if you are thinking to buy something from Ajio, then buy a lot of clothes साथ में, so that coupons भी apply हो जाए and आपको बहुत सारा discount मिले. So next I bought this beautiful denim dress from Ajio. I was searching for this kind of dress from a very long time, and finally I bought this dress. It's a very nice dress. As you can see, it has got this beautiful strappy detailing, and ये पूरा ऐसे button down dress है नीचे तक. Then the dress is something like this, and because it is denim, so इसमें stretchability होनी चाहिए. And I was not sure कि मुझे अच्छे से fit होगा या नहीं, because normally मुझे जो dresses है वो थोड़ा length से और कम होते हैं, because I'm 5'8" in height, so मुझे एक size थोड़ा बड़ा लेना पड़ता है. So I normally check the dress length in the size chart. Just look at this. It has got nice stretchability. So perfect denim wear. And if you love denim dresses, then you must buy this dress. It's a very nice dress. Just look at this. It has got an amazing flare, and the neckline is something like this. It's a very lovely neckline. You can wear this dress as it is, or you can style this with a white or black tee. so it is going to look perfect. Very nice dress. So this is from this brand called Exposed Attitude, and I bought this dress in the size large. Okay, next I have this joggers with me, and these joggers are very good in quality. This is from this brand called Team Spirit, and I bought this in the size extra large because joggers normally tight मुझे अच्छी नहीं लगती. So yes, it is something like this. ये पूरी ऐसे grey color में है, and side में ये black strips दी है, which is nice. The fabric quality is very nice. This is amazing, and it says we all came from future. तो यहाँ पे ये ऐसे कुछ है, and this is not printed. ये थोड़ा ऐसे 3D print में है. So it is something like this. The fabric quality is nice, and I bought this for 350 rupees. So yes, it is on nice sale, and Team Spirit has amazing collection. You can definitely go and check out their collection. So it is something like this. The quality is nice, and नीचे यहाँ पे elastic आता है. So it's a very nice sportswear, or you can actually wear this at you. If you love joggers like me, I have a lot of joggers with me because I know because quantity कभी sufficient होती ही नहीं है joggers की. Okay, nice joggers at a nice price. Okay, next I have this gorgeous top from this brand called Forever New, and again it's a party wear top. So it has these full sleeves, and आगे ऐसे आता है. So it has something like a shiny detailing. I think it's a shiny thread, so it's not a kind of glitter जो irritate करता है normally dresses में. So it has a beautiful inner lining of chiffon fabric, and इसके ऊपर भी chiffon है, but it's a light chiffon, and इसके ऊपर ये पूरी ऐसे embroidery की है with this beautiful shiny thread. The fabric is nice, and टॉप का जो पैटर्न है वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. I mean just look at this. ये beautiful sleeves के साथ आता है, and the neck is थोड़ा सा deep, so you need to adjust with that. and नीचे again यहाँ पे आपको tie up करने के लिए ये belt मिलेगा, so you can tie this at your waist. and यहाँ पे भी ये पूरा stretch होता है. it is very stretchable, as you can see. ये waist पे बहुत अच्छे से hold करेगा. so yes, a very lovely top, and I bought this from Forever New. So I'll provide all the links in the description box below, so you can check out all the products which I have shown in this haul. Next I have this gorgeous dress with me. Just look at the color combination. It's in this beautiful black and deep red color. So it's in this black color, and इसके ऊपर ये beautiful सी flowers printed है all over the dress. I mean the color combination, print, and the vibe it is giving is so lovely. You can actually wear this on a date, on a romantic date, and this is so perfect for a dinner date. So it is like this. It's in this beautiful V-neck, and ये पूरा ऐसे है. So ये से black color में है, and then at the back आपको ये same V-neck back मिलेगी. Okay, इसे back मिलेगी, and पीछे यहाँ पे ये पूरा smoke detailing है. Just look at this. ये पूरा stretchable है यहाँ पे. So the look is very nice, and अंदर पूरा inner lining आती है. It's in this black color की inner lining है, and so ये black color की polyester fabric में inner lining है, which is nice. and इसका जो flare है वो भी बहुत अच्छा है. and then ये पूरा ऐसे print है. then नीचे just look at the nice fabric. ये पूरा ऐसे fabric है इसके अंदर. so ये जो ऊपर का fabric है, so ये ऊपर का जो फैब्रिक है वो शिफॉन फैब्रिक है, बिकॉज ऑफ विच इसका जो फ्लेयर है वो बहुत अमेजिंग है. इट्स इन दिस नाइस फ्लेयर, एंड इसका फैब्रिक, इसकी क्वालिटी, प्रिंट, पैटर्न, सब कुछ मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. एंड इसके साथ यहाँ पे ये 2 बेल्ट मिलेंगे आपको जस्ट टू टाई अ नॉट. सो यू कैन एक्चुअली टाई दिस फ्रंट में या फिर बैक में भी आप एज लाइक अ फ्रॉक पहन सकते हैं. एंड वो बो वाला ऐसे इसे टाई करना बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा. सो आई एम इम्प्रेस विद द क्वालिटी एंड द लुक. Everything is just so perfect, and the dress is very lovely. It's in this beautiful black and red color. Actually can't wait to style this. It's an amazing dress, so I'm definitely gonna post pictures on my Instagram. So if you're not following me there, you can follow me there. So this is from this brand called Harpa, and I bought this dress for 750 rupees, whereas it is originally priced at rupees 2099. So I got this dress at a nice discount. Okay, so next I have this beautiful top, and just look at this. It's in this sweetheart neckline. So I bought this top from Flipkart and it has these mesh sleeves. So sleeves तो ओके है and इसकी फिटिंग भी बहुत अच्छी है. So ये पॉलिस्टर फैब्रिक में है, नो प्रॉब्लम विद द फिटिंग. बट ये जो स्लीव्स है यहाँ की, इसकी जो लेंथ है ये बहुत कम है, बिकॉज आई फील कि यहाँ की अकॉर्डिंग टू द बस्ट लेंथ उन्होंने ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा देना चाहिए था. सिर्फ या स्किनी एंड आपके हैंड्स बहुत ही ज़्यादा पतले हैं तो इसमें आ जाएंगे, अदरवाइज नहीं. नॉर्मली यहाँ पे इलास्टिक होता है सो दैट ये यहाँ पे प्रॉपरली फिट हो सके, बट यहाँ बिल्कुल भी इलास्टिक नहीं दिया है. सो आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स द पॉइंट कि आर्म्स में फिट होगा. अदरवाइज टॉप इज नाइस एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली मुझे ये रखना पड़ेगा बिकॉज रिटर्न डेट खत्म हो चुकी थी. तो दिस इज इन दिस साइज. ओके, ये एक्सेल में है बट ये एक्चुअली लार्ज तक फिट हो जाएगा. दिस इज फ्रॉम दिस ब्रांड कॉल एली लंडन. एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो अगर आप, सो लेट मी नो इफ यू वेयर लार्ज साइज एंड आपकी आर्म्स विल फिट इन दिस, देन यू कैन कमेंट डाउन इन द कमेंट section below. So I'm gonna give away this. So this is for giveaway. So the giveaway rules are: subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, and after that comment down in the comment section below that you want to participate in this giveaway, and I'm gonna choose one giveaway winner from this who is going to get this lovely top. So yes, very nice top, and this is originally priced at rupees 1499, and so yes, do participate. Your chances of winning are high. So yes, nice top, and it is something like this. I'll show you how this looks on model. It is nice this, and इसकी packaging बहुत अच्छी लगी मुझे आज इसमें अंदर पैक होके आया था. So yes, this is it for today's video. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and do subscribe my channel for more such interesting videos. Bye. We'll see you next time.